Today we're just gonna do a quick, easy little wispy updo on our beautiful model here. We're just gonna quickly reactivate some of her curl just by misting it with a bit of water. And then a little trick, I'm gonna use moisture mask. Typically you'd use this as a deep conditioner, but today we're gonna use it as a bit of a curl defining cream. Curls love moisture. We're gonna just collect the hair into a little top knot. Secure with a U elastic. These are easy because you can just wrap it and then hook it into the hair. Secure with a bobby pin or two. Then we're just gonna pull out some wispy pieces. And then I've got my small cone curling iron heating up, and we're just gonna define these little wispy bits. Trying to find a shape of wand that resembles their natural curl. Lastly, just defining those wisps with a bit of texture gloss. Maybe some up here too. There you go. Super pretty wispy updo.